Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are tuning in for the first time, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're absolutely amazing. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. On today's video, I'll be making an order for a customer. So the customer ordered for 3 different types of soups, for egusi, stew, and okra soup. That's the mixed okra, so I'll be making it. I already started prepping last night. I already prepared the fish because the client said he wants fish, goat's meat, beef, and shaki. So I already prepped that last night in order to make my job this morning very fast. So I did that already last night. I already boiled the mixed pepper. So this morning I'm going to be doing I'm going to be dicing the okra. I'll blend it and start prepping the okra. When I'm done with the okra, I'll start making the stew, then the egusi soup. I'll start preparing it. So I already prepped the ingredients for the egusi soup last night. So this morning, in fact I slept late last night when I was because of the cost of prepping towards this morning. So some of the things you need to look out for is allergy. Some customers have allergy, so try and see, does any client have allergy? You ask them. Allergy that I mean is some people don't eat ginger, some people don't eat garlic, some people don't eat pepper. They don't want their food to be too spicy. So those are the things you look out for in every client's order. So I already took out this person's order yesterday, and I asked the person, okay, what are the things you want in your meal, what are the things you don't want? So most times like that I have to pen it down so that I don't forget what the person wants. So I had to pen it down to be able to know, okay, do you like onions, do you like your food to be spicy and all that. So guys, let's get right into the video, and as I prep for the order, I'll carry you guys along. Thank you guys for staying with me. I really appreciate it, guys. If you're going to subscribe to my channel, I'm really going to appreciate it if you like and you share, and please always comment whatever questions you have. Feel free to leave a comment for me, and I'll definitely go through your comments and reply you immediately. Okay guys, so let's start prepping. Sorry guys, I need to quickly say this. You have to always cover your hair, even if you don't have the chef cap. Just make sure you put on a bonnet or a scarf, just like I'm doing, because we don't want our customers complaining that there is hair in their meal. So I just said I should just do this quick one. So it is very, very important that hygiene is very important. Make sure your work environment is clean and sanitized.